Look, guys, they got new sea lion pups. Let's go check it out. Let's see if I can get these sea lion pups for you guys, man. What do you think? We'll try to get those sea lion pups. All right, there we are. I think there's a little pup up there, if you see him up there. Let's see if we can zoom in. I don't know, you hear all that noise? Okay. Dan's gonna get the food so we can feed these guys. I don't see no pups. You hear them out there. I wish you could smell it. It smells like fish. Dan's gonna bring some food here. Hold on, you gotta get him over here first. Here, look, he knows. Start a little frenzy. Throw it further out there. Throw it further out. They sound like my dogs. That guy wants one. Well, that was the end of that, guys. Hope you enjoyed that little fiesta. That guy's the big guy. I think that guy up there, he's the big granddaddy here. Feeding time, those are fun times. It's getting to be night time. Sun's going down. What do you think about that, guys? Pretty cool, huh? Despite all the animal life here at SeaWorld, I will tell you that it's a very, very clean park. Very, very clean. It's right up there with Disney and Universal for sure.